welcome to 4439. Let's do this thing. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. Whoever's on top of the end wins the Angels. Good luck all. 5 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is, winning team is the Indians. That's 5 times. Cleveland on top. I don't feel like I've said that name all night tonight. I mean, it's not something I enjoy saying, but... Ben Pryor, congratulations. Loves winning the Angels. There's one Mr. Pryor. I don't know if he's here to celebrate with me tonight, but I hope he is. Let's hope he gets something nice. Trout, Adele. God, what a night it's been. No worries, LG. You enjoy the rest of your weekend as well, or start of your weekend. I don't know what time it is. Yeah, Rangers. Everyone's here in Rangers today. Oh. Ouch. Blade side. Dale supports Brentford. Here we go. Break 44 of the day. Alright, this one a lot thinner. Must be a redemption. Here we go. First up for Miami, bitch. It is Jesus Sanchez. Brentford. Miami. No worries, James. Who won the footy? Miami is with Brendan Waters. I haven't got a reason to write his name for a while. Go home, hang out with my dog. And I'm not doing it this time. For Washington, it is Steven Strasburg. Strasburg. Steven Strasburg to 49 for Washington Nationals. Joshua Bonello. Up next, let's do a quick Control F. For the Chicago Cubs, it is Braylon Marquez. Braylon Marquez for the Cubs. Who's got the Cubs? James Williams. Jeez, James, cleaning up a little bit here. Hey, come back. To 57, Will Crow for Washington. Oh, that'd be nice, wouldn't it, James? Washington. Did I already do one for Washington? We did. Will Crow. There he is. Dragons fan. Oh, no. Sorry. That was Joshua Bonello. Sorry. I got it mixed up. James got the... Huh? I'm confused. Oh, 1 of 1. Oh, my God. To 85 for Toronto, it's Alejandro Kirk. Sorry, James. I got my brain all mixed up there. Got it mixed up again. For Toronto, Jesus, next card, sexy. Adam Watson. Oh, of course. Now, Mr. Cody Edwards, how much would you say you like me? Because I'm a pretty brave man. And you're a pretty brave man. You're brave enough to buy the Braves. Atlanta Braves. And you know who plays for the Atlanta Braves, Mr. Cody Edwards? Tell me a player who plays for the Atlanta Braves, Cody Edwards. Tell me a player. 1 of 1, Ronald Acuna Jr. Extra base bases. That is a big, big boy. Oh, Lord. That's a big boy. Wow. Wow. Get around him. Have you ever seen it? I see it, but I don't believe it. 1 of 1. Wow. Wow. Player warned, so he's touched it. 101 extra bases auto. Beautiful card. Wow. That's